abnormal smoke from the number 2 engine of the 787.
With A66, yeah, we were just about to mention that. It's coming out of what appears to be the exhaust on the right-hand side.
Gotcha.
Thanks, guys. Through 277. We'll have a word with engineering and see what they've got to say.
B277, thanks. Line up clearance is cancelled for now, and then call me back.
Will do, 277. Line up clearance cancelled, thank you.
460 can take intersections.
460, thanks. Hold to November Bravo 3.
November Bravo 3 is good. And Beeper 358 observation on the company 787 as well.
Okay, pass your message.
Okay, it's quite a lot of smoke coming from what looks like the lower part, rear part of the engine nacelle, and it's actually being sucked forward along the bottom of the nacelle into the intake at the front.
Roger.
Thank you, copy that.
Okay, we'll line up 27 left. 27 left, 30. Jet 202, contact London 120.5 right.
20525,